Hello guys, it's Mokobeye. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to add admin in your Facebook page. Let's get into the video. So if your Facebook page is in new page experience, you simply need to change it to a classic page. So we are going to click on this three dot here. After which you click on what? Switch to classic page. Continue. You make sure you read this. Continue. 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 So this is going to take a while. So after switching your page to classic editor, you simply scroll down and you click on what? Settings. Once you're here, you scroll down and you click on page rule. From here you scroll down and you can see add page rule. So you can simply add a moderator, an admin, advertise, analysis. So by adding, you can either search the person Facebook name or you search the person Facebook email. So I'll simply search for the person's Facebook name. So I'll search for, okay, that's it. After that, I'll click on what? Editor. After that, I'll click on admin. Once I'm there, I'm going to click on what? Add. After that, you simply need to insert your Facebook password. After that, you click on what? Submit. So guys, once you submit, you simply need to ask the person to confirm admin email. That is, Facebook is actually going to send me a confirmation email on his Facebook account. So once you receive the notification, you simply need to accept the invitation. Accept. So guys, we are just adding him on Facebook, that is on that particular Facebook page as an admin. So as you can see, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you face any difficulty doing this, don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.